SCORP-Mini Unboxing. This is the outer packing of the Feiyu SCORP-Mini gimbal. It includes the quick start guide and warranty card. Gimbal, tripod, smartphone holder, quick release plate, fixed plate slider, lens holder, 2 Allen hex keys and 3 camera fixing screws, follow motor support rod, GoPro adapter, long thumb screw, USB 2.0 to USB Type-C cable, five camera control cables to connect to various interfaces. All the above is the content for unboxing video. Thank you for watching.